Hi there! If you made it to this video, you're most likely asking, what is a note and how does it benefit me? Let's start by defining what a note is. Quite simply, a note is a promise to pay. In fact, that's where the name promissory note comes from. And it's usually paid back in the form of a monthly payment for a period of time. The most common note people are aware of is called a mortgage. And when you think about how a mortgage works, you make a monthly payment to the bank and then pay off the loan on a house because of a promise to pay. Essentially, the bank now has a passive monthly income stream that's collateralized by the house itself. Here's an insider's tip. This is why an appraisal is ordered when you're making a house purchase, because the bank wants to make sure to get their money back if there's a lapse in payments. Simply put, the house is the security if the bank needs to foreclose to help recoup their loan. Because when a foreclosure process is completed, the bank then has many options to recover their capital. When an investor acquires a note, they become the bank, and they get all the options available that a bank has at their disposal. Yes, you heard that right. We become the bank. In short, a note is the paper side of real estate, and the house is the collateral. Now that you understand what a note is, let's move on to the second question. A note is very beneficial to those who want true, passive monthly income and want to eliminate pesky headaches that come along with being a landlord. Think about this. When a homeowner has an issue, like say a backed-up sewer line, they don't call the bank to fix it, they call a plumber. And the great part about it is the bank never knows about it. But what they do receive is a monthly payment. This is what most investors truly want. Imagine that. Keeping more money in your pocket every month, not having to deal with tenants, no contractors to deal with. The list goes on and on. In the following videos, we'll cover these topics in more detail. But for now, the biggest benefits a note investor has is getting more of their time back to do what they want to do. I'm talking about true independence. What would your life be like if you received money every month, no matter where you were or what you were doing? In conclusion, think about who has the biggest buildings in a large city skyline. It's banks. Banks own notes, not the real estate. But real estate is the fail-safe in the event of a catastrophic event. I have one final question for you. At the end of the day, would you rather have a business or would you rather have a portfolio? Guess what? The banks have portfolios. This is the question we will dissect over the next set of videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.